Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So we're looking at Tesla today. It is really crashed hard. I'm not really sure why. I'm looking at the news feed here, and I don't see a lot. I see Tesla's touchscreen doesn't violate rules. That's good. Musk deletes tweet alluding Tesla to become world's biggest company in just a few months. Well, that's kind of hard to believe, but okay. Um, yeah, I don't know what that's about. The Tesla video showing lies fraud of FSD. Yeah, whatever. I'm not sure what that is. Um, all right. Okay, there's no really negative news. Cathie Wood cautions investors of buying stuff with Bitcoin. Is still, yeah, because I guess if you buy a Tesla with Bitcoin at the huge gain, you're going to get taxed. Laws haven't quite caught up with the new currency yet. And Tesla is definitely pushing the boundaries of that. That's good. Other smaller companies have done it, but this is the first huge company that's done it. So, okay, not really sure what the deal is here, why the Tesla stock's taking a real hit today. It's recovered a little bit so far. Looking, because I've got some options on Tesla. I rolled some deep in the money options you saw on my video before. So let's go back, see the Tesla price. Oh, I gotta get the chart. So you definitely can see there's been some movement. The weekly chart. So it looks like it's kind of stable around where it's at. I mean, you can kind of see there's a support level here about 600 from before. Kind of stopped that, and it's kind of bouncing off of that low. It's been down to just below 600 today. I don't think it actually broke 600 though. Maybe it did. Sorry guys, I'm just getting over something. What's going on? So looking like, yeah, it touched 600, but we can go break this down even further. Never broke below 600. See, it bounced right off 600. So there's definite support level there at 600. People want to buy back in. So just take a look at the options are doing. How my position. All right. You can see here Tesla. I have 625 put. Still in the money. So if I want to roll this option to next week, make $16. That's pretty darn good for an in the money option. That's wow. Okay. I bet I could roll it down a little. Let's go 620. Still make 13 bucks. Wow, that's amazing. How far can I roll it down? Can I go to 600? Wow, I still make $4. That's insane. Okay, let's go 605. This is for 1 week. So that's pretty good. If I go to 610 right near the money, $8. 10, 13. Okay. So I'm going to go 610. How about that? So just under where it's trading, or right about where it's trading, for close to $800. Dang, I'll if I can get that, I'll take it. You can see it's very volatile, so I'll go 811. I'll be happy with $800 for the week. That's pretty good. That's actually more than I sold it for just the other day. Oh, hold on. This is new. Okay, that was different. They update the app again. I got that one. I want to cancel this. So go back to positions. Okay. Let's try to roll this again. $15. No, let's roll this down. 610 where I was. Alright. $8. Send. Oh my, okay. Buying power. Why so much? I don't understand. Okay, I don't understand why so much buying power. Or is that how much buying power I have left? Well, this is confusing. Okay, if the order was filled, I'll go back to positions, sorry. I'm not sure if the app was just updated, because I just did this morning and it wasn't all messed up like this. So let's go look at our Tesla again. Okay. Okay, so we're good. And I got a credit. $793. Alright guys, well, once again, TradeStation has changed their app and didn't let me know. So, looks like I still got some good buying power in there. So that's what I've got left. That Tesla order is taking a bunch of it. Let's go back to positions. You can see the buying power is 61,000, so that's about right. Alright guys, anyway, that's all I have for today. Just wanted to get that Tesla out of danger. I don't want to be put to stock right yet. But you know what? I'll take the stock at 610 for sure next week. Sounds like a good deal. Unless I can roll it for more money. I can always reduce my cost basis on whatever stock I get it at, whatever price I get it at. So I'm definitely getting in. Alright guys, thanks for watching.